Hello, today I'm talking about the nested blocks inside Gutenberg, and the topic is why and how. The why is because you can curate the experience for the editor. So once they place one block, or you can see it as a section, then you can lock or filter what the editor can put inside, and the reason is styling, of course. So you have scoped the styling, and the examples for that in the Gutenberg native blocks are the gallery. So if I open the gallery, I don't have anything. Just a second. Screenshot. So if we open it like this, you can see that we have added the gallery, but inside they placed the native another block that's image. So you can see that now if I do this, go to the settings, I can globally set the styles for it. Also we can do like crop, randomize order. We can even set the globally scale ratio for each picture or each image. And let's do one more. So the list, you can see the list, and right inside is the list item as well. So once you start writing, but then you also have the additional options and how to actually style it, and you can switch between the default and the checkmark, and also the numbers, etc, etc. So today we are going to create one nested block, and we are going to call it child and parent. So first I usually create a child element, and I'm going to explain why as well, and I'm going to just add one paragraph, and it's going to be child element. You are probably by now familiar with the attributes, so you can create attributes, you can paste it here, and then you can change the values. This is going to be hard-coded for now. Now we need a parent, and inside the parent we are going to InnerBlocks settings, and for the allowed blocks we only need the child. And just a note, after I created the child and I save it, I reloaded so the parent can pick up from the list, because we first need to save it and then it's created, and after that it's going to be okay. So what I have done here is I have done allowed block types. So you can have more than one. In this case we are going to have only one. And then we also have the option that we add one by the default. So every time we add a parent, one child is going to be added right away. We are going to save it, and the last thing is we need to add inner block. So once we add the inner block, you will get that plus symbol there as well. So if I now reload the page, let's clean it up, and let's add parent, and you can see that there is a one child element inside right away. So you can just duplicate, and that's it. Also, if you need the styling, you can style it here, or you can style it even better here, so you don't have the duplicate. If you style it inside the child, you will have the multiple CSS files for each child. If you style it in the parent, you will have only one CSS per parent, and that's how you reuse your styles and keep it dry. Thank you for watching. If you have more questions about the parent and child relationship in the Gutenberg blocks, feel free to add in the comment what more would you like to learn. Thank you for watching and bye!